You wake up with back pain, no eggs for breakfast, drive yourself or go without. Again. Even the smallest tasks feel heavy now. And when something breaks, hiring help costs a fortune. Getting your kids to stop by? Good luck. We're not asking for luxury, just a little help, without giving up our independence or.
Optimus 3 is an exquisite design, in my opinion, and will be an incredible, as I've said many times before, I predict it will be the biggest product ever.
Elon Musk just unveiled something that could quietly change everything. A humanoid robot, Tesla Optimus Gen 3, that costs less than a fridge, walks, carries food, and helps at home. Not in 2050. In 2026. This week it started its first real job, serving popcorn at a Tesla diner in LA. But that's just the beginning. What it does next could change how we live. How close are we to owning a robot that can cook, clean, and do the heavy lifting, literally? Could this be the most practical Tesla ever made? More useful than even a self-driving car? And how far has Elon Musk really pushed this tech in 2026? This is AutoGearshift, the channel that cuts through the hype and brings you real analysis on Tesla tech, built for men who want the facts, not the fluff. So if you're tired of vague headlines and want real Tesla updates, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Help us reach our next milestone, 4,767 subscribers. Why 4,767? Because just like Optimus, we're building up, one smart move at a time. From prototype to waiter, how is Optimus about to take over the drive-in? This week, Elon Musk confirmed a major step forward for Tesla Optimus, one that goes far beyond factory demos or stage performances. In a post on X, Musk revealed that Optimus is now officially employed at the newly opened Tesla Supercharger diner in Los Angeles, serving popcorn to guests during the diner's first day of operation. It may sound like a gimmick, but this is far from symbolic. According to Musk, by 2026, Optimus will be promoted to a much more functional role, delivering food directly to customers' vehicles, eliminating the need for them to leave their cars entirely. The Supercharger Diner, launched this week, is designed to reimagine the 1950s-style American drive-in experience, updated for the EV age. Visitors can order food straight from their car's touchscreen, sync their in-car audio with Tesla's outdoor movie screens, and even relax inside their cabin while waiting. It's nostalgia powered by next-gen tech. But the integration of a humanoid robot is what sets this concept apart. Tesla isn't just trying to make charging more comfortable. It's quietly testing how Optimus could blend into real-world service environments. As the robot currently handles basic food service, the company is actively preparing for its next-level task: managing full-service delivery across the 80 charger site, regardless of whether customers drive Teslas or other EVs. In fact, Tesla has made the diner accessible to all EV brands, as long as they can connect to Tesla's charging network. Even non-EV owners can use the space as a quick food stop, further broadening the use case for the robotic staff Tesla is developing. The Optimus role isn't just cosmetic. Tesla believes its humanoid robot will soon be capable of navigating complex, real-world tasks like carrying food trays to vehicles across a crowded lot. Whether it'll be doing that on roller skates remains to be seen, but Musk's team seems confident Optimus will be ready to perform by next year. Optimus Gen 3, a completely new design built 100% in-house, but what makes it different? This time, is Tesla finally ready to mass-produce a robot that actually works in the real world? According to Elon Musk, the answer is yes. The Optimus Gen 3 robot is not another flashy concept. It's what Musk calls the first real production design. Tesla plans to reveal the full prototype by late 2025, and mass production is scheduled for 2026. The target? 100,000 units per month, ramping up to 1 million robots per year by 2030 or 2031. But the real story isn't just about scale. It's about control. For the first time, Tesla is building the entire robot in-house. Everything from the actuators to the sensors, the batteries, the motors, the AI chips, and even the smallest circuit boards, zero outsourcing. This vertical integration mirrors how Tesla builds its cars and battery packs, allowing them to cut costs, iterate faster, and deeply integrate hardware with software. The design itself has been completely reworked. The third-gen Optimus features human-level hand articulation, with 22 degrees of freedom in the hand alone, allowing it to handle complex tasks like sorting cables, folding laundry, or assembling components. The mechanical structure is lighter, stronger, and far more energy efficient, built using Tesla's custom actuators and powered by Tesla-designed AI chips. Optimus Gen 3 doesn't just move, it learns. Tesla is training the robot with the same real-world neural network architecture used in full self-driving FSD, meaning it can interpret its surroundings using AI trained on real human behavior. According to Musk, Tesla now leads in one critical area: AI performance per watt, per dollar, and per compute unit. That translates to faster learning, longer uptime, and lower cost. All essential if this robot is going to enter homes and factories. And speaking of cost, Tesla's target price is just $5,779. That's less than most electric bikes or high-end smartphones. If they hit that number, Optimus could become the first consumer robot that's not just for show but actually worth buying. A full reveal is expected at the next Tesla shareholder meeting later this year. For now, all eyes are on whether Tesla can turn Optimus from science fiction into something you can actually order, without waiting a decade. Battery production is shifting. In 2025, Tesla will begin refining lithium and producing cathodes in North America, bringing critical supply chains closer to home. LFP battery production in the US is also set to begin by late 2025. Yet most still underestimate the real demand for batteries, especially as grid-scale storage becomes essential. Hardware is evolving, but slowly. Tesla is focused on launching FSD unsupervised on the current AI4 platform first, before reconsidering HW3 or rolling out any hardware upgrades. That means no major vehicle hardware refresh until at least 2026. Still, AI5 chips are already in development, with production expected in late 2026 or early 2027. These chips are so powerful they could exceed international export limits, possibly requiring Tesla to downscale chip performance for markets like China. The long-term vision? Use the same class of chips in both vehicles and Dojo supercomputers. Imagine 2 AI6 chips in a car and 100 in a single Dojo unit. By 2026, Dojo 2 is expected to operate at scale, equivalent to 100,000 H100s. That's the kind of firepower Tesla plans to use not just to train Optimus, but to rewire how robots, cars, and the grid itself think. So how do these upgrades make Optimus a true homemaker? With the Optimus Gen 3 announcement, Tesla isn't just showing off robotics, it's aiming straight at your home. Thanks to a fully redesigned frame with 22 degrees of freedom and 2 degrees of freedom feet, Optimus can now walk 30% faster and maintain better balance on uneven surfaces like tiled kitchens or carpeted bedrooms. Combine that with 10-kilogram arm lift capacity and sub-millimeter finger precision, and you're no longer looking at a factory prototype. You're looking at a 5,779 domestic assistant capable of handling real daily chores. Tesla projects full autonomy for Optimus in 2026. By then, the robot should be able to complete complex home tasks like folding laundry, preparing simple meals, sorting trash, and even unloading groceries. The robot is already being trained using Tesla's vast fleet data, over 1.2 billion miles of real-world video used for FSD, which is repurposed to help Optimus recognize, navigate, and interact with domestic environments without being explicitly programmed. This foundational training is why Elon Musk believes that within 18 to 24 months, Optimus will be able to complete 80% of basic household tasks without human supervision, and the economics are equally ambitious. Tesla is targeting mass production of Optimus at 1 million units per year by 2027, with costs expected to drop below $3,000 per unit by 2028, thanks to vertical integration. That's possible because Tesla isn't outsourcing its batteries, chips, or motion components. So, is Tesla Optimus Gen 3 about to become the most useful robot ever made? Would you trust one in your living room? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read everyone. And if you want real updates on real Tesla tech, without the fluff, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Because the next video, it's where Optimus gets personal.